मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा।
Happy birthday, Papu.
Happy birthday, Pappu uncle. Have a great day and have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. You are a wonderful person. God bless you with good health and happiness always.
Dear Pappu, happy birthday. We always hold you in high regards. Wish you a long and healthy life.
Happy 70th birthday, Pappu. God bless you with many, many, many more to come. Have a great day with your granddaughter. The best way one could celebrate her birthday. Be blessed and happy always, Pappu.
Dear Pappu, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Hope to get together soon. A party is due. Once again, a very happy birthday.
Hi, Bhai Sahab. Happy birthday to you. God bless you and thanks for the love and affection you showered on us. Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Wish you all the
birthday,
best.
Papu Bhaiya. All the best.
Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papu, and happiness true. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless dear Papu and happiness true.
Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday.
Hope everyone's doing well.
Hope you're having a fun day.
Eat lots of good food.
And stay safe. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Papu. It's your 70th birthday. So here's wishing you happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, my dear Papa.
Papa na Pappu.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
La 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 la.
May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy
May God
birthday
bless
to
you.
you.
This
Wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best. Many, many happy returns of the day, my dear Papu. And this year party is not... We are not able to come for your birthday party. So the party is pending. Whenever we come to Bombay, you have to give us a birthday party.
Treat us soon, Mama.
Hi, Mama. Wish you a very happy 70th birthday. May Amma Bhagwan's blessings always be with you. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful year ahead. Enjoy. Whenever I have met you, you've always given me blessings. Hope to meet you soon again and get more blessings from you. Wish you once more very happy Wala birthday with loads and loads of happiness and best wishes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Hi, Papu. Happy birthday. God bless you and me too. I want to just remind you that you are a fatherly figure to me rather than my brother. And because you have guided me, you have given me the strength to move forward. And here I am today, standing on my own feet. This is you who have given me everything. You are a fatherly figure to me. And what should I say? In our little days, which we had everything, we had that love which has kept us together. And it's not only you, it's everyone else also. That's Hema, Sanju, Jagu, Viju and Ravi. Y'all have given us all sisters and we are so blessed to have you brothers. God bless you and everyone I love you too, Papu. It's not about that age which is we are nearing. It's the love that has taken us so far. And here we are together in all the relationships and everything. I shouldn't remind you of all these things, but I know you are my backbone. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you, dear. I love you so much.
Hi Papu, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. अच्छा मूंखे अॼु बि यादि आहे उहो ॾींहुं जॾहिं तूं जायो हुई ऐं उन खां पोइ मूंखे ॿियो हिकिड़ी आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विथ यू जेको तोखे बि ख़बर न आहे यू अर्न योर फर्स्ट ₹1 when you were only 3 months old for मल्हार जी शूटिंग ते वॉन्टेड अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड त तोखे टिकाए मां खणी वई ऐं हुते तूं वएं त ॾिठो चऊं भई न ही इज़ टू यंग ही कांट इवन ओपन हिज आइज़ त रुपयो ॾेई छॾियो दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट रुपी that you earned in your life when you were just 3 months old.
Hello, Papu.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papu.
God bless you.
God bless you. God bless you.
Hi, Uncle. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you,
Hi, Papu. Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. प्यार से भरे जिंदगी मिले आपको, खुशियों से भरे पल मिले आपको, कभी किसी गम का सामना न करना पड़े, ऐसा आने वाला हर पल मिले आपको. Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday from a safe social distance. Always keep on smiling like this happy man and spread joy, happiness and positivity everywhere. Once again, a very happy 70th birthday, Papu. Enjoy.
Happy.
Happy birthday to Papu. Happy birthday to Papu. We are cutting the cake for your behalf. You are such a great model for everyone, every brother in the world, because you are so loving, caring, protective and supportive. Thank you, Papu. God bless you.
God bless
Happy
you.
birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papu. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Papu. God bless you. We'll meet soon.
Happy birthday, Papu Lal. May God bless you and we'll meet soon.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and have fun, Bhaiya. Have a good 70th birthday.
Hi, Papu. Happy birthday.
Even though it's COVID time, I feel you should have a very good birthday. Have a nice day.
Sending you a lot of loves and to you and your family. Enjoy your birthday.
Hoping to see you all soon. Bye. Take care.
We are glad that today we are celebrating 70th birthday of Indrajit. A very happy birthday to Indrajit.
जन्मदिन जूं लख लख करोड़े करोड़े वाधायूं पपनलाल. God bless you with good health.
इंद्रजीत जिन्हें हम प्यार से पप्पू भी कहते हैं, a soft spoken gentleman. आप कभी भी उनके चेहरे पे रंजिश नहीं देखेंगे, हमेशा खुश मिजाज रहते हैं. आपको तो कभी कभी व्हाट्सएप पे नॉनवेज जोक्स बोलते हैं, वो भी सबके बस की बात नहीं है. हिमा जी इज़ इक्वली अ वंडरफुल पर्सन. पूरी फैमिली के ऊपर अम्मा भगवान की मेहरबानी है, ब्लेसिंग्स है पूरी फैमिली के ऊपर. माय एंटायर फैमिली इज़ ज्वाइनिंग मी इन विशिंग इंद्रजीत अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, लॉन्ग लाइफ, फुल ऑफ फन, good health and happiness. God bless all.
You are 70.
But still you are 17.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Khatri. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 70th birthday, Uncle.
Wish you many more happy years ahead. We know you are always there with us in our thick and thin.
Stay happy, healthy and cheerful as always.
God bless you.
Happy 70th birthday, Inder uncle.
खत्री साहब हैप्पी बर्थडे। बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। यूएसए से बोल रहा हूँ दोनों के साथ।
Happy
birthday.
Enjoy your day.
My blessing to you and your family, your beloved wife, and extraordinarily good brother and his wife, and their two daughters. I also bless your youngest son and his wife and eldest son and my granddaughter. I wish, and also the fourth G, Navya. Bless all of you.
Khatri Sahab, it's a seven decades of your successful sailing. It is a saying, there are only 7 plots of stories, 7 oceans, 7 wonders. Undoubtedly, your 7 decades have been parallel to that. You have been blessed by Amma Bhagwan, and now Dada is also actually rightly quoted. You are lucky to have a great companion and a fantastic children. Undoubtedly, a great younger brother and his wife and children, and makes a unique life. लोग कहते हैं जो औरों के लिए जिए तो वो जीना है, बाकी क्या कोई खाक जिया करते हैं। आपकी जिंदगी से सचमुच में एक सीख मिलती है, और वो सीख सबके लिए एक ही है कि टुगेदरनेस में जो जिंदगी है वो किसी और चीज में नहीं। मंजू।
Khatri Saab, you touch our lives and contribute in your own special ways. A giving person like you always deserves the best. So on this important milestone, I would pray to God and Amma Bhagwan for the divine grace and blessings in your life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Uncle.
birthday, Uncle. Many, many happy returns of the day. We have a special surprise for you.
बार देते आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
आज हमारे दिल में अजब सी उलझन है, सामने समधी हैं गा रही समधन है, हमको जो है निभाना वो नाजुक बंधन है, सामने समधी जी गा रही समधन है। मेरी छाया है जो आपके गर्भ सी, सपना बन के मेरे पलकों में है पली, राज की बात बताएं, ओ राज की बात बताएं, ये पूंजी जीवन की शोभा आज से है ये आपके आंगन की, राज की बात बताएं ये पूंजी जीवन की, शोभा है वो आपके आंगन की। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Namaskar ji. Many many happy returns of the day.
Congratulations Indarji. Yet another milestone completed successfully. We hope that will follow your footsteps.
Yes, the warm and the affectionate person that you are, and of course a successful one. All the best.
All the
Namaskar.
best.
Hi Inder. Anil and I wish you a very happy 70th birthday. We are very proud of all that you have achieved over the last 7 decades, both personally and at professional level. You are the pillar of Khatri family, and thank you for taking care of my little sister Pami. Wishing you health and happiness in the many years to come. Happy birthday and welcome to the cool Senior Citizens Club.
Hi Inder uncle, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday from all of us. Have a great day. Bye.
Happy 70th birthday Inder uncle.
Hello. With every birthday, you seem to be getting more special to us. It could be because our family becomes more important to us with every growing year. On your 17th birthday, I want you to know how important you are for all of us. You have been like a elder brother to me since I remember you. You were our spiritual support, and your witty jokes always made us laugh. We all wish you a very happy birthday and healthy life ahead. Love you. Bye.
मऊ रेशमी हा दोरखंड, ज्याने बांधिले खत्री कुटुंब, म्हणून जो जाहला कुटुंबाचा मेरुदंड, प्रेमाची शीतलता देई हा चंद्र, त्याचे नाव असे इंदर. वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. इंदरजी हॅपी बर्थडे.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो हैं तैयार हम, हैं तैयार हम, एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy 70.
So it's very difficult to put into words what you mean to us, because you play the role of a grandfather, play the role of a doting father, and most importantly, you play the role of a friend most of the times. It's very easy to come and share things with you, come and share our deepest feelings, and get a very unbiased and a very candid opinion on things. You have always been a constant supporter for all of us, for any decisions that we've had to make, for our careers, our jobs, for anything. You've always been there.
You've always pushed us to follow whatever we want, especially me. You want to send me away.
And yeah, you sent me away too. So that is another added thank you. Thank you for always being there, Bada Papa. Thank you for who you are to us. Thank you for Thank you for everything.
Thank you for letting me boss you around like you were my childhood best friend and letting you know how irritating you were at times. I don't think I have changed that fact in 21 years of my life. Happy birthday. We love you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bhaiya. A very happy 70th birthday. Thank you very much for being our guiding force always. You are like a fatherly figure for me. In fact, thinking about it, I have spent more years with you than with my own dad. I feel overwhelmed when you shower love and respect upon me. I've learned a lot of things from you. I've learned how to be organized. And each time we are with you, we learn a new value. So thank you for being our teacher, our guide, and our guiding force. Thank you very much, Bhaiya, and keep showering blessings upon us always. Thank you.
Papu, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Stay blessed always. Thank you very much, especially for taking over daddy's role 47 years ago. It means a lot to me. I can never express that ever in words. And more importantly, when I started my journey in my business, I want to specially thank you for guiding me when I was at crossroads. Even though you were not very much aware of my business, but your wisdom at times, sailed me through very difficult situations. Thank you very much. Have a rocking year ahead. Thank you so much.
Hi, Papa. Thank you for being the amazing person you are. You have always stood your ground for me. Everything that you have done for the family and the huge amount of wisdom that you have achieved in your journey leaves me with abundant respect for you. You are an inspiration, Pa. Thank you for making a man out of me. Hey, Guma.
Hi, Papa. Good morning. I just wanted to say that when it comes to dads, I've been twice as lucky. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday. You are 70 years young today, and I believe that we are going to have the biggest birthday party after another 30 years.
Yeah, cheers
to the
And
cheers to the wonderful times ahead. We love you, Papa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pa. We love you. Thank you. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Right since I was a kid, I had one superhero in my life, and that was you. I always wanted to be like you. I wanted to dress up like you. I even wanted to smell like you. I was always so fond of your perfumes and your aftershave lotions that I would come near you and the smell would linger on and I would love it. Papa, you've been more than a perfect father. You've always inspired me to live life to the fullest, and I've learned from you how to celebrate each moment in life. So thank you for that, Papa. Even the tough times, I ask myself what would my father and my mother advise me to do, and I would do just that and things would be fine. I love you for all that, Papa. I wish I can be a father to my child the way you have been, and I wish I can make you proud always. I love you very much, Papa. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for all that you've given us, and here's to a super 70. Love you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the warmth and support you have given to me. While getting married, I wanted my family to understand my career aspiration and personal goals and understand me. You not only understand, you not only support, you not only recognize, you take lots and lots of pride in it, Papa. On this special day of yours, I'll promise you that I'll make you the proudest father in the world. Thank you very much, Papa. We love you very much.
Have a great birthday.
Happy 70th.
दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी, या है मोहब्बत या है
Hi Jan. Once again I am wishing you a very very happy 70th birthday. My dear, my adorable, my lifeline. कल रात को जब भी मैं सोच रही थी अपने ज़िंदगी के बारे में, तो so many things were coming to me, you know. The life has been like a mix of everything. खट्टी थी, मीठी थी, कड़वी थी, तीखी थी, सब कुछ था. But probably that only made the package to give us a very beautiful life. I think I enjoyed every aspect of our life, in the sense, right from the day we got married. Actually, whenever I saw you so much bonded with the family, I fell for it. I really wanted to be like you. बाद में वो साथ में ऑफिस में जाना, साथ में खाना खाना, दोपहर में साथ में झगड़ना, और शाम को आके सबके सामने एक्टिंग भी करना कि एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. ओ एवरीथिंग वाज फन, यू नो. तो कल मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं किस किस चीज़ के लिए इनको मेरी जान को मैं थैंक्स दूँ. लिस्ट तो बहुत लंबी है, लेकिन कुछ 2-4 चीज़ें तो मेंशन करना ज़रूरी है. जान, थैंक यू very much for giving me these 2 adorable, lovely children. Means all of you became so much integral part of my life कि मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि ये 40 साल कैसे निकल गए हैं. Of course, I very much enjoyed my working in office also, and thank you for all the freedom you gave me to have my ambition completed. आपकी वजह से like I received so much of love from each and everyone, all the relatives, the close ones, dear ones, everybody loved me so much. I really sincerely thank you for that. Another thing I would like to mention is, because of you, I met Bapu, and I enjoyed fatherly love from him. Whatever I have received from Bapu, उसके लिए तो कहने के लिए भी शब्द कम पड़ जाएंगे. But thank you so much. Rather, हम दोनों को मिलाना था, इसीलिए बापू ने हमको साथ लाया. अब मे बी इट वॉज हिज डिवाइन प्लान. और बापू मिले, बापू की वजह से अम्मा भगवान मिले. यू बिकेम द मीडियम फॉर मीटिंग बापू एज वेल एज अम्मा एंड भगवान. एंड यू नो, दिस इज द बेस्ट फेज ऑफ माई लाइफ, एंड आई एम एंजॉइंग इट सो मच. Jahan, not only meeting Bapu and Amma and Bhagwan, but in my spiritual journey, the way I get help from you, the way I get clarity, oh, that is wonderful, and I just my heartfelt thanks to you. अभी तो इतना ही कहूँगी, जो भी बीती बढ़िया बीती, बहुत अच्छी बीती, और जो बाकी है बस आपकी उंगली पकड़ के एंजॉय करते हुए, हंसते खेलते, बाकी भी बस निकल जाएगी. Once again, thank you very much, Jahan, for everything. Once again, I wish you a very happy 70th birthday, and many more I will be enjoying with you in future too. Thanks.